Meaning of exhaustive.
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 Exhaustive. The word exhaustive means thorough and comprehensive, indicating a complete exploration of all possible options or aspects related to a particular subject or task.
An exhaustive analysis involves leaving no stone unturned in considering every detail before arriving at any conclusion.
It requires a high level of attention to detail, as well as extensive research and investigation. The end result of an exhaustive effort typically yields a comprehensive picture of the subject matter and leaves little room for doubt or uncertainty regarding the findings and conclusions.